Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very cute and beautiful 3D origami butterfly magnet, and I have used total 4 shades of craft paper to create this, and this is really very easy to create. So let's get started. For this we need liquid glue, any strong adhesive, strong magnet, scissor, black, orange, light green and red craft paper. First I will show you how to create this piece. For this I am taking 5 by 4 centimeter craft paper and just follow my folds to create the origami piece. This paper is having 90 GSM thickness. So you will get 2 pockets in the bottom. In the same way I have created some more pieces. So we need total 80 red pieces, 26 orange pieces, 64 green pieces and 28 black pieces. First I am starting with the upper wing. So I am taking one light green color piece, connect 2 green pieces on top of this. Then connect 3 light green pieces. Then I am adding 4 light green pieces. Then in the center connect one orange color piece, and on the left and right side connect 2 light green pieces. Then here I am creating orange color diamond and covering the rest of the area using green and red color piece. Now just follow the instructions, and if you have any doubt you can freely ask me in comment section. like this. So the upper wing is ready. Now I am proceeding to the lower wing. This is very easy. First I am taking one green piece and connecting two green pieces on top of this. Then connect one orange piece in the center, and on the left and right side add two light green pieces. Then again I am making one orange color diamond. So orange diamond is ready. Now for the last row I am adding total 6 red color pieces. So lower wing is ready and the butterfly will look like this. Now for the center body of the butterfly, I am just making a chain of black color pieces, and I am joining total 15 black pieces to make the center body. Like this. Now add glue on left and right side, and I am adding total 3 pieces on left side and 3 on right side to create the antenna for the butterfly. So this is also done. Now I will just join all the parts together using liquid glue. Hold it for some time and let it dry. Now I'm taking this piece of orange color paper, just fold it in half and cut it as a leaf shape. And I'm connecting it on the back side of the butterfly for the support, and also we can easily connect the magnet on top of this. So just add glue and connect like this. Now take your fridge magnet, add little any strong adhesive. You can also use glue gun. I am using Fevikwik. It dries very quickly. So allow it to set for some time. So the beautiful butterfly is completely dried and it is ready to use. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.